Hey, what's going on? So welcome to this video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to earn money online with affiliate marketing for beginners. So if you're brand new, this is your first time about affiliate marketing, I'm just going to dissect everything in this video. So make sure you watch this all the way to the end because I'm going to show you the different method. I'm going to even set up an ad so that way you can see how the ads work. So if you're brand new, you've never made money online, or maybe you made money but for some reason you can scale it to the next level. So I'm going to dissect this video into details so that way you can understand the full method of affiliate marketing. So I'm going to show you how to earn money online with affiliate marketing for beginners. So I'm sort of like a step-by-step training. So make sure you watch this all the way to the end. So if it's your first time here, like, subscribe, become a part of the family. Let me know in the comments where you're watching this video from. So every time I can create a new video, I can either give you a shout out or I can create a video that's gonna match where you're from. So make sure you watch this video and stay engaged all the way to the end. So first thing first, I'm gonna find the easiest platform which most people can use. And the reason why I talk about ClickBank, because ClickBank is super easy. You could sign up for it and it is absolutely free. So it doesn't take you any money. Of course, there's other alternatives out there that you can sign up for. So feel free to go on Google and find out ClickBank alternatives. Of course, there's like different networks out there, but some of those networks will require some experience. And if you don't have an experience prior, again, you probably won't be allowed to even sign up for it. So, but after this video, you're gonna have an idea what to do and how to get started. So that means once you finish watching this video, you can sign up for other networks too. So we're gonna dive into it. So as I said, ClickBank, it is super free and they have a lot of products on here. They got from arts, entertainment, business related, you name it, they got it. So if an affiliate marketing company want to promote, they come on here because they know a lot of people do affiliate marketing. So I'm going to show you some things, how you can spy on different offers, so that way you can see what type of traffic is running to whichever offer that you want to use. So once you sign up for the ClickBank account, the next thing we're going to do, we're going to go and we're going to find a product that we want to promote. Now, there's multiple different products that you could choose from. You can go with health and wellness. You can go with employee jobs. I normally always go with like health and fitness, or I go with e-business, e-marketing. So either this one or this one. For some reason, I like to pick those because those things are hot. This one is also hot as well. This is like the spiritual new age and alternative. You know, there's tons of videos online and people always want to know about like horoscope. They want to know about numerology, religion, all that type of stuff. So religion, money, politics is always one of the hottest things that people talk about. So for this particular video, we're gonna go into the e-business, right? So in the e-business, there's tons of different affiliate offers. Now, there are some affiliate offers that are really hot right now, and you always want to check out the gravity score. So if you click on the gravity score, it will tell you what hot. And this one right now is on fire. And it's a great offer. It's converting very well. A lot of people are buying it. And the thing is, this can work anywhere. Now, most of you probably, when you set up an ad, you want to target US and you want to go for the top tier country. No, I'm not saying that don't work. However, you can also make a lot of money with this with second or third tier countries. All right. I'm like tripping over my words here. So once we find the offer, right? We're going to find the offer. If you want to promote it, you're going to click on here and you could just create your hop link. Once you create this link, this is what you're going to be using. So I'll come back to that. Now, the first thing we want to do, we want to spy on this offer and see if it's hot. Now, I'm going to see if this offer is bringing in a lot of traffic. You can look at the sales page. You can watch that video. So we go over to this website that is called SimilarWeb. And SimilarWeb is a website that spies on multiple different websites, and they tell you where the global ranking is, what country it's the most ranked category, as in terms of like what type of category does that offer falls under. So earlier I was spying out some different offers. So we can look at the 12-minute affiliate program to see if it has any data or data. Now, it doesn't have a lot of data right now because it's fairly new. It just came out recently, and I don't think probably SimilarWeb has enough data to really put it up. But you get the idea what I'm doing here, because I can go back and I could find another offer, right? I can find another offer. For example, this one. This is going to be Gold Opinion. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy Gold Opinion. I'm going to show you. So if I type in Gold Opinion, there we go. So I just type in Gold Opinions, and as you can see, this right now is in Brazil. The top country is Brazil. Global, they're number 255,000, and it's ranked 578 in the business consumer business. So if you look through here, you'll see for the last 6 months where people are visiting. Now, Brazil, I guess it's like the top trending place. I'm not sure why, but you can market Gold Opinions down in Brazil, right? That is not a tier 1 country. That I would consider a tier 2 country because it's good. Look at this. India, it's blowing up in India. There's over 7%. So this is climbing. It was in the US, it drops. So this probably over the next month or so is going to take over. So look at all these countries, right? US 11%. Now, that's what I'm trying to tell you. Everybody trying to target the US. For most offers, you could target other countries too. You don't have to go into the US, because once you target the US, your ad cost is going to be much higher, and it's going to cost you more money to get a return. So going to these countries, of course, it does going to cost you much. It's going to cost you more money. However, it's not going to cost you as much as the US. So you will reach more people because there's a lot of people live in those countries. And as you can see, so the traffic source, there's social, like 0.41%. There is display meaning like display ads, right? People are click on it, not enough data. Organic, there's a lot of organic. These are like how to organic, right? How to make $20 a day guarantee. That's where most of this traffic is coming from. Not sure where that is. Most of this is coming from Swagbucks. So it's all like, I would say, survey related. And you can look on here and you could see what, like social, this is like YouTube. This is coming from YouTube. Apparently this is probably coming from YouTube. I'm assuming 52%. Now, if you look on Facebook, it's over 26% is coming from the social. Display, and display is more of like display ads. So it's like YouTube. There's a lot of searches on YouTube. Right here, this is like in Russia. Right over here, this is in Brazil. This is like cash travel info. This is like crushing it. So let's say we want to go look at this particular website, right? So let's go look at, all right, so let's go look at this particular website. So this website right here, they're getting over 139,000 people, total visitors. This is actually a day, right? This is like per day, or it could be over a period of time. Don't quote me on that. But if you look on it, right, this is where all the hot traffic is coming from. So it's coming from display traffic. Now, if you come here, we could click on, and we can dissect this, and we could see what type of display ads that they're running. We can look, we could see. Now, if you look down here, these are the similar competitions to the particular. So this website has competitions down here. These are all competitions. Competition. Now, once you find out, as you can see, I don't want to go too much into this, but take your time and you want to do your research. A lot of people, the first thing they want to do is they want to set up ad, and most of the top affiliates, super affiliates, they don't tell you this, right? They don't tell you to go in and dissect and try to find these things before you start run some ads. Now, I'm not saying Facebook is not great. Of course, Facebook is good. But if you had known the data, oh my goodness, you know what I'm talking about, right? If you know the information, like look at social. This is like from social media. maybe this doesn't work well on social media. So not many people are running on social media. Of course, Facebook is always good because you could dissect it. But what if the offer is not converting? What if it's not doing how it's supposed to do? What if it's going to direct? Now, there's so many different ways how you could look at this. Now, I'm going to copy this. We're going to head on over to this particular website and we're gonna search. Now, look on here. This is the website that the survey Gold Opinion is running on. Now we're gonna look on here and see if we find it, right? Now it's probably not here. Oops, give me 1 second. All right. So it's probably not here though, but what we could do, we can always search. So advertise. So if you advertise, paid per click, I think this is a website that you could pay to advertise on here. So paid per clicks, this is credit. So if you look on here, wow, this is amazing. Now this right here is amazing. Now, paid to click credits. This is 8,000 clicks for $236. Now, let me tell you, that is fairly cheap. This is super duper 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 cheap. Like if you divide that, like that's crazy, right? So pay to read credits, 2.6. So featured ad impression, this is like 80,000. Banner ads, this is like 50,000. So you could buy these things. You could buy it, right? You can click over here. You could buy. You can come up with your username, right? And you could set up your account. So once you set up your account, the next thing you want to do is you want to advertise. You can advertise Gold Opinions. I was so going for affiliate offer here because this is hot. And I'm going to show you because this is converting well on YouTube. But since I'm going in this video, I'm going to show you this one since I found this one. I know I'm off track here, but stay with me here. So you could create a name, create a password, right? And you could set this up and you could use. Now, I've never used this particular website. However, this seems like this is where most of the traffic is coming from per SimilarWeb. So one SimilarWeb tells you where the traffic is coming from. I'm telling you, that's where the traffic is coming from. So the traffic is coming from here, and a lot of people are signing up and they're making money in Brazil and India with using this particular website. So you could sign up. Now, the reason why I'm coming over here is to show you, like, if you go to Gold Opinion in Google, right? We go to Gold Opinions and we click on it. Now I'm trying to find something so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. All right. Now, where is it? Now I'm going to head on over to a blog. Now, if you look on these blogs, these are different reviews. Every one of these blogs, you'll see ads and you will see a way how you could put, hang on 1 second. Let me just find this real quick. You just find this real. All right, so I just found a particular blog, right? So the reason why I was searching for a blog, so I could search and show you the different type of websites. So if you look on here, if you see this, these are the different platforms that are promoting all these ads. So this is an ad. If you click on here, you see ad choices. Now, ad choices is where you could buy banner ads. So as I told you before, this is what most of the super affiliates are doing, and nobody really tell you this stuff. Now I'm showing you this because I've used banner ads and make money with it. So if you look on here and you see ad choices, you can click on the ad choice. Hang on 1 second. Nope, I'm not talking about, it's not about reporting. I'm trying to see. who's running this ad. Not this one. Hang on 1 second. All right, so I just pull up some different platforms that you can use. So what you could do, you can always type in native ads. Native ads or native advertising. Once you type that in, you will see a lot of different platforms that you can buy ads for, banner ads, particular ads to run on different platforms, right? So this is like native ad engagement platform. And there are so many out there that you could just create an account. And once you create an account, you could start to run native ads on different platforms. Now, this particular one is a native ad platform. I haven't used it, but it seems like it's good. I just found this out just shooting this video. So I'm more excited about this than anything else because these clicks are cheap. And if this is something that is hot down in Brazil, why not try it out? Why not test it out? So I'm going to even use this as well. And I'll definitely keep you posted on that, in future videos. So check this out, see if it works, right? I'm also going to try that as well. But I know native ads that you could create native ads. And once you put up the ads, these ads are going to appear at the footer or anywhere on your particular blog, not on your blog, but on different blogs. So I know I go off on a rampage here, and this 12-minute affiliate can be used with Facebook ads, right? So you can set up a Facebook ad. I'm also going to leave a link in the description so you can check out the Facebook, how to create a Facebook ad in that video. All right. So hope you enjoy that video. Thank you so much. I know I was kind of like all over the place. I was on the road all day, but I decided to just create a video for you anyway. So enjoy your day. I'll talk to you soon. Andre, peace.